Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add PayPal to Onlyfans. Let's get started. Is PayPal accepted on Onlyfans? To put it simply, no, because PayPal is not accepted on Onlyfans. Let's look at the official sources. So these are the Onlyfans payment method: Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and debit card. And the payment method is not accepted on OnlyFans are some prepaid Visa card, gift cards, and PayPal. So why is PayPal not accepted? This comes down to PayPal's own policy. According to PayPal's acceptable use policy, they do not allow buying or selling sexual-oriented digital goods or content delivered through a digital medium. This includes downloadable videos or pictures, website subscriptions, any sexual implicit content, even if it appears to involve minors. So because OnlyFans hosts adult content, PayPal blocks its use on the platform. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.